Hello besties, how are you guys doing? I been let me do small shakara jare. Let me dance more. It's not easy. So this is me officially welcoming you guys to day 3 of this challenge. Okay, this dance is for you guys. I'm dancing to encourage you guys. Okay, this is 3rd day of this challenge, and I'm still at the back, but hopefully at the end of today, I mean on this 3rd day, I should be able to finish the back side, and then we should enter the 2nd session of the fullest. Okay, so let me know in the comment section, what have you grabbed so far since we started this challenge? Do you think, oh, scrap that, did you learn anything new? If you have, please let me know in the comment section. What have you learned from this challenge, or am I just wasting my time doing all this? Let me know what you've learned so far. If you have any question, or you're confused, or you're wondering what I was doing, you don't know what I was doing, you don't know what is hair ventilation, you don't know how to vent, but you want to know, or you don't know the pattern I'm working on, let me know in the comment section so that I will explain to you what exactly is going on. So this is day 3 of this challenge of me venting a fullness in days. I don't know where I'm going to finish it, in day 5 or day 6. I don't know, because of my newborn. Had it been I don't have a newborn baby, or when I was pregnant, a full list take me 3 days to finish. Even if maybe I'm kind of lazy or not serious with the work, it might take me 4 days. But for the fact, from the time I got pregnant after my 1st semester, venting wasn't that fast again for me, but I was still working. Yeah, I vented 2 days to my delivery. So now that I've put to bed, I want to go on a challenge. I'm going on this challenge to know how many days it will take me to finish a full list, even while taking care of my newborn. That's exactly what we are doing here. Okay, to all those that have been liking, sharing my videos, commenting, I really appreciate you guys. If you're wondering what I do on this space, I do hair regulation tutorials, wig making tutorials, hair braiding tutorials, in fact everything concerning hair. That is what I do on this space. So if you are here to join, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that once I upload new videos, you will get notified. So now we are already on the center side of the fullness on day 3. I think, I don't know if I'm trying enough. What do you think? Do you think I'm fast or I am slow? How many days does it take you to finish your fullness? I want to know. Let me know in the comment section how many days it will take you to finish a full list. Alright, so guys, please do me a favor by liking this video, share to your friends, share to help me to distribute the video, leave a comment down below. If you have any question, like I said earlier, let me know in the comment section. Feel free to request your video. If you have any video you want me to make on, any tutorial you want me to work on, let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you guys for joining me so far in this challenge. It's a form of encouragement to me. I have more tutorials coming your way, guys, trust me. And I mean more tutorials boko. Stand by, okay, stand by, turn on the notification bell so that once I upload new videos, you will get notified. When I said tutorials, different hair tutorials coming your way, don't miss it. So guys, okay, this is officially how we are ending day 3. So we are this center the second section of the furnace. That's the place we are now. Okay, let's see what the three will give us. My choke. Let's see what the three will give us. Okay.